So we are back again here at Ed's shop. Thanks for having me over, Ed. I appreciate it.
Cool.
And I think you have even more things to look at, which is this is where the magic happens. This is where people send their motors so Ed can come fix it. And you said one of the cars out there was your friend's car with a motor. Can I see that motor? I'd love to see.
Well, I want to show you another motor first.
Okay, yeah, let's see the first one. I'm too excited. You can tell.
Well, I'm going to show you, this motor right here.
Okay, this one.
Is for Hebmüller 428.
Oh, this is a Hebmüller motor.
Yes.
Okay.
This is Ken and Steve Swan's motor.
Cool.
For their car.
So,
and I've gone through the whole thing.
Man. So you get everything off down the block.
Yep. Everything's all done, brand, new inside.
This is
everything, star coil.
Man.
Correct.
And for people who don't know, Hebmüllers are like the holy grails of people's collections, right?
Yes,
They can have standards and splits and ovals all day, but if you have a Hebmüller, suddenly it's like, I got the thing.
You got the star.
Yeah,
the star.
It's like the thermos in the lunchbox with the Scooby-Doo. You're like, I got it, and I got the cap on top. Yes. So this is the motor that's going to power a Hebmüller.
This is.
Can I touch it?
Of course.
Awesome. Look at this. Wow.
Of course.
This is a nice Hebmüller.
Yeah, this is 428's power plant.
I'm so used to the doghouse fan shroud being much thicker for my Super Beetle,
Yeah.
And this is
this is, if you notice, it's a seamed. That's how they made them back then. They're seamed.
And I've never seen this cool like fence in this grill in the back.
Yeah, that's what they put on there, a little protective, so
never seen it before.
Little things going in there.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
And this is just your transmission workstation.
Yeah, this is my test stand.
Awesome, really cool. Yeah,
it's my test stand.
You can just build motors for people all day.
Yeah, and then I put them on here and run them and test them and everything.
Hebmüller motor. Wow.
Yep.
This is going to get Mr. Swan's Hebmüller back on the road.
Yep.
In no time.
Yep. This is the power plant for that.
Man. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready to
it's
see.
Already running everything.
I'm going to take it home with me.
I don't think so.
Can I fit in the back seat?
No.
Hey, Ed, look, it's Elvis.
Yeah. I can't replace that one.
Wow, this is beautiful, man. So beautiful. Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
Really great. How many hours do you think? Is it months because of time? Because parts hard to find?
Well, parts are hard to find, and time for machine work and back and forth. You send stuff off, and of course, they all that's powder coated.
Yeah, and the numbers. I'm looking at the numbers on the tin.
Yeah, the cylinders.
I've never seen that before. On my Super Beetle, I had 75.
Yeah,
it was gone. So you had to guess which one and figure out like a little oil cooler.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Yeah,
it's like a model. It's not even.
Yeah, this is all ready for.
It's gonna go into Hebmüller.
Yep, all ready for 428.
Sweet.
Yep.
Okay, I'm overwhelmed with like toys and parts and pieces. I'm like, this is
my collection of 50 years, I guess you want to call it.
What is this really cool bug up here?
That is a 1956.
Oh man.
When I lived in Miami.
Oh, you live in Miami?
Yeah.
I was born in Broward County.
I lived there all my life.
Almost. We were neighbors. Had no idea. Ed, want some sugar? Can I borrow some sugar? Come over. Wow.
So that car there, like I said, was in Miami, and I always saw it. And so, actually, the guy who owned it worked for the phone company like I did.
Mm-hmm.
He retired, and I would always go by because I knew he had the car, and ask him if it was for sale. No, I'm going to keep it. And one day I went by there, and they were out doing some yard work, and I said, Carl, can I try to get you to sell me the car again? And his wife said, Carl. And the next thing I know, he said, come and get it when you want to get it.
Nice. I can tell it's from Miami because of the heater channels.
Well,
because that's what happened to my car in Florida.
Well, I'm going to tell you, in Miami, do you remember the big bay leaf trees?
Yes.
This car sat underneath a bay leaf tree.
Oh, no.
For probably 15 years.
Oh, no. Poor car.
But it's original. It's never been in
it's a
real accident.
You got a survivor, Ed.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's there for one of the future projects.
Because that's on the top, maybe on the top, but also you have a first shelf, which is like here's another.
This here is my 54. This is a 54 that I got, and the reason I have this 54
look at this.
is because I was born in 54.
Okay.
So
it's
one of those deals where you
got to do it.
You got to do it.
How did you get the 54, Ed?
That was another one of those drives to Florida.
Your wife doesn't like you leaving the
Oh,
house because
no,
you come
no.
back.
I
you're
come
gonna
back
have
with something. Yeah, yeah. So this is.
Honey, go play money on the ponies. Go do anything. Just don't go to another car show.
Yeah. So this is.
Oh man.
This is one that I doing a little bit of stuff too.
Oh, it's so cool. Look at this.
do.
All the patina on there. This car's.
Yeah.
And maybe when you bought it, it was not as in style, but now.
Yeah.
People are saving this, right? They're keeping this kind of, call it rusty door look, but it's really patina that you sun baked in for years, and you got the little badge on there.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Everything is.
And then you have a split next to that.
This here.
Oh my gosh.
This here is a January of 1950 split
Okay.
that I bought. It was in a forest for, I think the guy told me 15 years that he knew
it's a
of.
forest find.
And so I bought it and had it shipped over from the Netherlands. And and of course it's in a stage.
Yeah.
You know, in a stage. But this is.
It's so cool because if you had to faux patina this to do this just like this, you'd never get it, man. It would never look
This is patina to.
This is so cool. Wow.
Of course, a lot of structure has to be replaced in there.
Yeah, it's so cool. Like you can't find these anymore. These cars are unfindable. People have already gone through all the forests and all the barns and everything.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's one person out there. If you're out there and you have a car like this, don't call Ed's wife. Call Ed first. She won't let him have it.
But you know what? I've already said this is. I'm not going out and doing anymore.
No more.
This is all.
Getting cut off.
All it. Yep.
Man, this is so cool.
This is it.
Look at that.
This is it.
Okay, and then shelves and shelves of parts and parts.
Shelves and shelves.
Because when you need a split dashboard, Ed has one for you right here. You know, when you need a heater channel, Ed has a heater channel for you right here. Muffler, done. Like so, you need to have these parts so you can assemble the car. Yeah. And look at this beautiful car. Where'd you get this?
This is a '66.
Cool.
It was supposed to be one of these real quick things to do, and of course
weekend job.
Other cars get in the way, and then of course I lost a little interest in doing it.
It's awesome. You get engine blocks. Look at this. Boom.
Yeah, that's just one.
And this is why people go to you because you have the parts and the ability to put this together. Like it's awesome.
Yeah,
man.
this is the section of the garage that's.
We won't look at all the special things. We're gonna look down for a second. Yeah. I even like all the old drill presses and stuff. It's just awesome, man. Tires and everything. Oh man. Yep. And then you have a 70s. Is it a 70?
This here is my wife's car.
Oh, you got the wife bug too?
Well,
otherwise.
I'm embarrassed that it's so dirty.
No.
It is so dirty.
It's so cool.
I was changing it from fuel injection to carburetor.
Right.
That's what the process is right now. Fuel injection to carburetor.
Everyone I talk to who has the fuel injection is like, oh, fuel injection, and then like, wait till you have to work on it. And you're like, you'll lose your life. All your weekends will be gone trying to synchronize this, and it's just.
Yeah. So this here is this actually was a car. This was the showroom accessory car.
Okay.
So in other words, this had all the little chrome extra little bells and whistles that the dealer would put on as the.
Yeah, this is the one you walk in and see.
This has air conditioning, AM, FM radio. This is 1976, so.
You love your wife.
Yeah.
That's what it was, yeah.
So.
I noticed that the front latch here has the fingernail guard. Because everybody's fingers go like this, and they scratch it. And then now, if only there was an accessory to guard from that, and boom, you have it.
Yeah, well, like I said, this is all, even a little gas door accessory.
Oh, yeah, I've never seen that before. That's cool. I was looking at the grill.
Yeah, the little grill that they put on there.
And even the little windshield wiper nozzle is chromed out.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So, and it had the accessory mirror for the passenger side.
Very cool. Can I see the engine compartment real quick? I know the engine's not
well,
in there.
like I said, it's in the process of changing.
Sure.
I have the carburetor and everything on it, and I just got to finish up doing stuff. And of course, it's like I said, got the original air conditioning and everything.
Yeah. So my thing is with these cars is the engine compartment gets bigger over the years, right?
Yeah.
And otherwise, if it came straight down here, then it wouldn't be able to fit all the fuel injection nozzles, right?
Yeah. Like I said, it's like I said, it's the same motor. I just took it out and took the fuel injection stuff off, put the manifold on it, carburetor, and stuff, so I could change it to.
My Florida Bug that I had, a 75, the body rotted on me, so I put a 74 convertible on top of it. But when I went to get it registered at the DMV in California, they said it needs to be fuel injection. And when I looked at the engine compartment, it was too small. I couldn't do it. So I had a big problem. So I have to like reclassify my car as a special constructed vehicle. It gets no longer, the title gets ripped from your hands. And they go, now it's a project car. And it's, I'm like, but it's a Beetle. They go, that's nice, but it's not unless you put all the original stuff back in, including the catalytic converter. And I'm like, those things make the car run terrible. So
yeah, this here, the fuel injection, I kept playing around with it. I put 2 different brain boxes in it, and you know, it'd run okay for a while, and then it would start doing its little problems.
Chrome louvers.
That's like I said, this was the accessory.
I would have loved
deal,
to have that.
you know.
And up here too. You got
Right.
double louvers. Oh,
Yeah.
and you have the defrosters.
Yeah, it has the defroster in the window, everything.
Man,
Like I
didn't
said,
have any of this stuff.
it's dirty. I'm sorry.
No.
You know.
That's why I let my car go, because I wanted to have all these things, but the time to find them, right, in good nick like this, you'd have to find someone like yourself who's willing to part this out, and you would never do that. This car is beautiful. It's a little dusty, but a water hose and a beer, you're good.
Yeah,
it's great.
That's it.
But who has time for that when you have this other yellow car up here?
That's a
This
part.
is awesome.
Believe it or not, that's a parts car I bought.
Okay. So
from a friend of mine, David in California.
you can stay here. I'm going to walk around. I'm listening.
He bought the thing in Peru,
Oh.
and in Peru they did the thing trying to quote update it.
Yeah.
So they cut the roof
Oh no.
and they put a big window roof in it.
Oh no.
So another friend of mine in DeLand had a split that he was taking apart, and I bought the roof from him. And this is one of those what a projects.
Well, you're fixing people's Peruvian mistakes, right? This guy wanted to make a cooler, bigger window, upgrade it, and you're like, no, let's bring it back to a split. So you found a donor split, which isn't easy to do, to find someone who's willing to part with the split.
Yeah.
But knowing Ed, he actually has another split right below it. So there's another.
And quick little story.
Okay, no, take your time.
At the time,
This is great.
At the time, I did not want to buy another split, another car.
Okay.
Because I have too many projects.
So you are where you are now. You don't want to buy another car right now.
I don't, well, yeah. So the guy calls me and asked me if I would go look at the car for him.
Okay.
Because I happened to be in Florida at the time. This
Okay.
car was in Fort Myers.
Oh, you
And-
find all these split windows in Florida. It's crazy.
So he told me that he had it, or he was going to buy it. And then he called me back like 2-3 days later and said that he just wasn't going to mess around with it.
Right.
And he said one thing that perked my interest. He said it was a ragtop.
Oh.
And I did not have a ragtop.
Oh, I gotta look now. Sorry.
Yep, I did not have a ragtop. In all my
Okay.
cars, this is the
Original ragtop. split.
original ragtop. So, of course, I had to go and get it.
Of course.
Of course, I had to go get
You
it.
have your 17-year-old. When you were 17, you got that one. The one that you are with the same year you were born. You have that
50,
one.
yeah.
Then you have the matching standard, and now you have the because you got to collect them all, right?
Yeah.
This is
So-
your baseball card
So
collection.
this here is the
Wow, not grafted in.
not
all
grafted in,
original.
all original, crotch
Man.
cooler,
Man.
threefold. I mean, this is like the top one.
It's very
Yeah,
close
this
to
is-
desirability of a Hebmüller, right? You're right because
yeah,
you got
yeah.
semi-force, like you said. This is European. Ooh,
So,
Ed.
yeah,
I
so-
think these need to go up on the list a little bit. I mean, the other ones are nice, but
Well, it was until you just said
Right,
it, until
right,
I
yeah.
started doing this Hebmüller.
I won't ruin the surprise for everybody. But yeah, you got another project we're gonna see in a minute here. Man, this is because you can't find this. There's no way.
Right.
I think in the
So,
60s they were chopping these up and making Bajas into them stuff, right, and everything.
I'm going to tell you. In 1985, the guy told me that him and his son took this car apart, and that was their intention, to make a Baja out of it. The car sat for about 15 years down in South Florida in the elements.
Well, I'm glad that they didn't get to it because otherwise we wouldn't have this thing to look at right now. But
Right.
if you're watching this, I forgive you. It's okay. Ed's gonna make it all better. Ed fixes these cars.
Yep.
But then I'm looking at it and I see something that's not a Volkswagen, and I know that because it's like 600 feet long. What is this big,
this
beautiful
here's a
blue car?
1957 Chevy that I'll tell you the little story. My mom had a car just like this when I was a little one.
Okay.
And of course, you know, always, my mom had ovarian cancer and she battled it for 5 years. And this was one of the things that I bought to try to boost her.
Yeah.
So she drove the car a couple times.
Oh, she got to drive it.
She drove it a couple times.
Awesome.
And
it's
of course, you know,
gorgeous.
like I said, she battled it, but
My mom too. My mom too.
it finally got it. So it's here. But the thing is now, my son lives in Tampa. We're going to bring it to Tampa.
Okay. And come back with 6 more Beetles.
No. We're going to bring it to Tampa, and we're going to. He's just built a big shop down there, so he's going to do it, and we're going to get it all back and.
I love Tampa, Ybor City. Yeah, it's great. I just like how you have all these Beetles, but one car is not a Beetle, and it's your mom's car.
Yep, it's my mom's.
But up here we have another car, another Beetle.
That's a '66.
Okay.
That
let's walk around to the front.
Okay, '66 that I.
Man, this is so cool.
Of course, you know, like when you're a kid in high school.
Yeah.
I bought a '66.
Okay.
And of course, it was the thing I run the wheels off of.
Okay.
You know, back then gas was 25 cents a gallon. You could put $2 in the thing and run for 3 weeks.
Wow.
So this came up for sale, and of course, I sucked into it and bought it. So.
And I just love your passion for these things, and it's so cool. And then you have all these lifts, and there's got bugs at different levels, and man.
Yeah, that's how you have to do to make room in here.
Yeah, how would you fit them all? Right, of course, you got to stack them. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Well, this has been really great, Ed. I think you have one more car project, but I'm wondering if we have enough time for that. Might have to be next week when we come back to check out the passion project. I know that this was on the list, but you had mentioned that there was one other car that went up. So let's go have some lunch. We'll come back, and then next week we'll revisit the passion project car. If that's okay.
Sure.
Awesome. Thanks for having us.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here with Ed at his shop of wonders. Oh my gosh, so many cars. Let's look at this real quick. It's so cool.